Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show internet speed on Taskbar on Windows 10 and 11. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. To display your internet speed on the taskbar, begin by navigating to the Windows Store. Once there, search for Net Speed Meter by 0byte. Download and install this application. After the installation is complete, you can easily find and open the Net Speed Meter by searching for it in your Start menu search. Upon opening the application, you'll notice an overlay somewhere on your screen displaying the internet speed. To ensure this overlay appears consistently on your taskbar, you'll need to make sure your taskbar is set to auto hide. If it is, simply right-click on the taskbar, select Taskbar Settings, then scroll down and toggle the option to auto hide the taskbar off. Finally, to anchor the internet speed display to your taskbar, right-click the overlay and select the Keep in Taskbar option. And there you have it. You've successfully displayed your internet speed on the taskbar, allowing you to monitor your connection speed at a glance. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.